Awaza's versatile PondoVacs are dedicated water feature vacuums with features no utility vac can match. The PondoVac 4 comes with 5 specialized attachments: a clear tube that allows you to monitor what's being picked up, a flow bypass thumb slide that allows the odd inadvertent fish to swim back up out of harm's way, a large dirt catcher leaf collection bag, and the ability to pull debris up from 8 feet underwater. Don't confuse this powerful tool with a shop vac or try to suck up dry dirt and dust with it. This vac is purpose-built to clean out pond sludge and only works with water. The PondoVac 4 features continuous suction and waste discharge, with a 2-chamber system that fills and empties alternating chambers for continuous suction and gravity discharge at up to 1,350 gallons per hour. With a wheel chassis equipped with sockets to conveniently carry attachments and an adjustable handle, it's easy to get the PondoVac where it has to go. Once you get there, the PondoVac 4 includes 4 aluminum suction tubes, 1 transparent suction tube, a debris collection bag, 16-foot suction hose, 8-foot discharge hose, and 5 tools to make cleaning different surfaces and collecting debris a breeze. The box is printed on all sides in full color, with useful information on all panels. Opening the box, you'll find the instructions, safety and warranty information, the rigid tubes and boxes, the tools and large wheels all individually wrapped, and finally, the PondoVac 4 itself, with its 16-foot silver suction hose wrapped around it. The 8-foot discharge hose is shipped inside the canister. The 5 tools are the universal tool to remove pond sludge without pulling in gravel, the string algae tool, which removes string algae, the bristle tool for stubborn dirt, the appropriately named large tool for cleaning large level surfaces, and the wet suction tool to remove the shallowest water. In addition to the tools, there's the inlet distributor, the fitting that the suction hose connects to, and a plug for the discharge. Attachments, tools, or features that can be moved or manipulated are colored blue in the world of Awaza, so you'll see that the color on the canister clips, the O-ring seat, the fold-down handle, the handle release, and the hook for the 14-foot power cord are all blue. The discharge for waste is around the back of the unit, between the 4 stubs for the tubes, 4 aluminum and 1 clear. An additional pair of slots in the front can carry the 5th. On the top of the PondoVac, you'll find the top carry handle and the on-off switch. Assembly consists of inserting the inlet distributor, turning clockwise to lock, then inserting the 2 large wheels until they click into place. Place the tubes in their holders, connect the suction hose in front, connect the discharge hose in the back, and it's ready for action. Inside the PondoVac, you'll see the 2 float housings that allow the 2 chambers to fill and empty sequentially, along with their foam filters. Important tip for new users: keep the inlet distributor free of trapped debris and grease the O-ring frequently to ensure trouble-free operation far beyond its 2-year warranty. And that's everything you ever wanted to know about unboxing the Awaza PondoVac 4, but were afraid to ask. Keep an eye out for the PondoVac maintenance and troubleshooting videos coming out soon. You can find out more about this and all our products on our website and YouTube. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and see you in the next video.